when Philippines was discovered by Magellan. They're sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done because Kastila did a waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Rahapabul met him, they were very happy, really happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and dragged Magellan to go back home. When Magellan got so mad, oh, there is meant to camouflage. Mactan Island we could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at the battle end. Photos and spears versus guns and spears. And Magellan was hit on his neck. He stumbled down and cried. Oh, mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor